Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria, and we're going to create a fun New Year's Eve mani. Now, the first color here, it would not be a New Year's Eve mani without a beautiful black. This is called Raven, and it is a dark, rich black dip powder. It is beautiful, and you'll see it here in action in a few moments. And then the star of the show here. Check out all this sparkly goodness. It is called Confetti Cannon and is the perfect name. It has fine glitters in there, and it's like a holographic, shifty kind of glitter. And then it has some shards of glitter in there as well, and it's super pretty. And it's a very fine glitter. It's not like a super chunky, bulky glitter at all. And I love the color shift that you get with it and all the different lights. It is stunning. And paired together with Raven, it is the perfect New Year's Eve mani. Now for today's mani, we are going to be making press-ons, and we're going to do a fun shape in medium stiletto. I just really like when I do press-ons for the holidays, and I like to change it up a little bit to make it fun. And why not add a pair of medium stilettos to this mani? I thought it would be perfect. Now check out how pigmented Raven is with just one dip. Isn't that beautiful? It is stunning. It's a really pretty black. And we're starting off the mani with using Raven. I'm going to do the two nails dipped in Raven, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going to go in with another dip of Raven, and then we're going to go ahead and top coat that to ensure that we're getting that black Raven color as pure as possible, and we don't contaminate it with any sparkly glitters. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Look at all that sparkly goodness. I'm completely in love with Confetti Cannon. There's just something about that silver base, but yet it has all that rainbow sparkly goodness in there mixed in with those shard glitters. Now look how full coverage that one dip is, isn't it? Like totally full coverage. So I really like that about it. And after I moved around the glitters and pressed everything down, I was really satisfied with how that nail looked. And I only needed to dip into Confetti Cannon with that one dip. So that's something that I really liked about this glitter and how flat it laid. It's a really easy glitter to work with. So if you struggle with glitters and you find that it's a little too bulky sometimes, Confetti Cannon is definitely super easy to use, and I really like the sparkly payoff, and yet it's unique and beautiful all in one. All right, so let's get back into this mani, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun for a New Year's Eve mani. It's simple, but yet it has that pop of bling with Confetti Cannon. And look at Confetti Cannon in the light, how it like does that beautiful color shift. It's like a chameleon, shifty kind of glitter, super pretty. And I think Confetti Cannon would be beautiful paired with like a hot pink or a teal. I mean, really any color you could use with Confetti Cannon because it's so beautiful on its own. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use for today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.